you have caught me ducking and weaving and sidestepping all of these plants and foliage for the purposes, let me place that down there, of doing a topographical survey of this entire terrain that you see behind me in front of the Atlantic Club here. I'm just going to place it down here, my Moasure 1, just to finish the measurement. Press stop. Now, I haven't needed any heavy duty equipment to do this, no heavy tripods, no need to break my back or hurt my knees or anything like that in doing this measurement. All I've needed is this small, nimble little device that I've taken out of my pocket, holding a stick by the end of my fingertips, to do a topographical survey of this whole space, like I said, in a matter of moments. Let me show you. So I finished the measurement. We can see and we know that Moasure 1 captures length, breadth, elevation changes and angles and all of that. So we have that in 2D. I got total perimeter, I got my total area. Flip into 3D, pan around for you. Let's select this point down here at 0, 0, 0, and then go to my cross section tool, select another point at the top. We get the length, the rise and the run. We know that already, but check this out. Let me select the surface area icon. We have the total surface area of this space. If we just pan around, you can see all the undulations. You can see the lie of the land illustrated behind me in different colors, signifying the different elevations. Now if I go to my edit tool, go to cut and fill, and I can see I've got cut and I've got fill, I've got net, and I got levels. I can set levels with these things. So this is almost like an earth moving measuring weapon, is Moasure 1, in a sense that you can level a whole site with the numbers that you get from this. If I just move the slider all the way down to 0, 0, we can see what the cut is. We can see how much we need to excavate, remove from here. If we wanted to fill, which we don't in this case, we get the numbers there as well. It's so quick, it's so easy. Now, if for some reason we wanted to just cover this whole area with mulch, we have another tool for that. Let me show you. Let's go back here and select my depth tool at depth, and then I can move the slider left or I can move it right. And I can input my numbers. Let's give it 2 inches. There you go, all the numbers, all done so quick using Moasure 1. And all I did, let me flip the camera and show you what I did. This topographical survey was done, as you can see, by just little old me in next to no time at all. It took minutes. I started capturing the perimeter over in that corner and followed it in straight lines and followed all its twists and turns and its curves until I came back to where I started. But before I pressed close on that measurement, I swapped to points path and then continued to take points anywhere I saw an elevation change. Then when I had all those points taken, went back to the start, stopped my measurement, and then boom. Essentially, I took some steps, I took more steps, and then I had a topographical survey. Well, Moasure had done all the calculations, it had computed all the numbers, it had drawn it all out. By the time I got to the end, I didn't have to do any mental or mathematical gymnastics in my brain. This little device did an entire topographical survey of that entire space you see behind me.